Ready?
Okay. Do you want to hear the joke of the...
Yeah, go on.
The
no,
£5
is
note.
he recording?
Do you know the joke of the £5 note?
I don't want to know that. Bonjour. Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Alexa. Today I'm here to explain to you how to join the secret Alexa club.
It's not really a secret, you know.
To be honest, I don't even know like what it is really. Like I know it has something to do with like joining or becoming a member.
Exactly. You can become part of my secret club by clicking on the join button below. I think there is one underneath this video.
So what's the difference between, you know, clicking on that join button, becoming a member, and subscribing, which is free?
I love making videos and I love making these videos for free for all of you out there, but some people actually quite like to support me and support us making more awesome videos. And that's a way of participating into that support by clicking on the join button.
So let's say, you know, I scroll down a little bit, I press the join button.
Yeah.
What do I get?
Okay, my YouTube videos, no matter what, are always free, okay? But by becoming a member, you actually get some really good and special goodies. Good goodies. Special goodies. Lots of goodies.
What kind of goodies? What kind of goodies? I want to know.
Now, all kind of goodies. For example, it depends on the options you take, but you can have access to my live lessons, which is quite something because they are exclusive to my members and they last for about 45 minutes. So, live lesson is one.
Oh, Amy, c'est ma première fois. Amy, bienvenue.
Let's say I'm in a completely different country, like different time zones
that,
and I'm rushing. But, you know, I don't make it in time because, I don't know, I'm asleep or something, so...
No, but that's okay because you have access to the playlist as well. So every single live lessons, exclusive live lessons that I post on YouTube will be available for you guys if you join and become a member. Another thing as well that you get if you become a member are support guides. Support guides are really popular. We get tons, or you get tons of them because I'm very good at writing them.
So I can like read along
you
know, watching the video and it's...
That's right.
Absorb more information.
Absorb more information, I like that.
So it's like a separate document that goes with the video, helps you know what's like going on more.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Explaining as well, so you've got you know, something concrete. Another feature that you get as a member is the audio lessons.
Let's have a look at some prepositions and practice with them.
Which I think is the penultimate tier of all tiers.
Penultimate.
Penultimate is not a word.
Second to last.
Oh, is it? Penultimate?
That's what that means. What does audio bring to the table?
For languages?
Yeah.
It's really important, actually.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
How about you expand on that?
Ultimately, when you learn the language, you listen. And you listen and then you repeat. So by concentrating solely on the listening, you are going to absorb things much better. You get to listen while running. Yeah, that's a good thing. While riding the horse. In the supermarket, while riding the horse.
What have we learned today?
We have learned that if you become a member, you get live lessons, support guides, audio lessons, and things like that. Become a member and you'll get all those goodies.
Become a member.
Become a member.
Today, press the button.
Press
the join
click button.
Smash that join button.
Yeah. Smash it.
Smash it. Join
Button.
the click.
Join
In it.
In it.
Shut up.
Okay, that's it for us. Au revoir.
Bye.
À bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Just get out of my way.